And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have something quite different for you guys today. As you can see, I am wearing a very short wig unit. This one was sent from Nadulahair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So as for the wig specs, this is their no slip wig 2.0. This is a layered bob in a 7x5 closure. I have it in a Yaki straight texture in 10 inches, you guys, and 180% density. So I just want to let you guys know that I didn't have any issues with the density. It is 180% density, and this is a Yaki straight texture. So I really wouldn't go too much higher than that in the density, you guys. You want to make sure that this looks as natural as possible. This is the hair out of the box. Straight out of the box. I don't have to tighten this wig unit because it's already fitted. I also don't have a braid down, so my little ball is pretty much filling up the back of it, so I don't really have to tighten it. But if you guys want to, you just literally tighten this here. This is very different for me in my channel. I don't think I've ever done a 10-inch wig ever. I'm not a fan of short hair at all. So now I do want to let you guys know that I did request this company to send me this hair in a longer length, something that I can work with a bit more and kind of put a curl to, you get what I mean? However, when you want to do those type of things, you need length to do it. So I did kind of request, I think, like a 14 or 16 inch or something like that, as long as I can when it comes to a bob, because in my head I know what kind of styles I want to do with these wigs when they're presented to me. But this company, they wanted to send me a 10-inch wig. Down in the description box, when you click the link, they do have other wig lengths available in this within this wig. So if you guys are into longer bobs, then they definitely offer it, you guys. However, just today we're just working with a 10-inch bob. This is my first time working with a 10-inch bob. I do think that it looks natural in a sense. It's just not my natural, because my natural hair is longer than this wig, so I would not go this short in my opinion. However, because it is this short, it is probably going to be one of the cheapest wigs that you guys would probably ever come across. I guess on social media, because it's, I think it's like a $99 or something, if I'm not mistaken, from the wig link. So if you guys are looking for a natural looking bob, you should definitely try this one out, because quality wise it is really good, you guys. And also the cap construction is really good. So this no slip wig cap construction that they have going on is really good. And then I just put a little bit of heat on the hair to bump the ends, because of course it was in the packaging. So I just bumped the ends a little bit on both sides. And I do want to let you guys know that this is a layered bob. However, it's only layered in that bang area. So I just kind of just bumped the ends. That's all I did to just freshen this hair up. Other than that, that is pretty much all that I have to say. So if you are looking for something that looks really natural and it's just not a lot of hair to deal with, you can pretty much put on and go in like 5 minutes, then this is the style for you, you guys. Let me know what you guys think if you are into short wigs. I don't know if my audience is into short wigs, because I never presented this kind of short hair. So I would love to know what you guys think and your preference as well down in the comment section. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.